Hey guys, it's Ari here. This is me, bare face. Just got out of the shower. My hair is a mess. Right now, look a little bit crazy. Just did my eyebrows. It's kind of weird whenever you just do your eyebrows and nothing else. So to fix this problem, we're gonna do the rest of my face. So I take this Picture Perfect Day Daily Moisturizer that the woman at Ulta recommended for me. I've had this for a while. I'm so sorry, my brother is playing Fortnite in the background and we're just gonna have to deal with it because this is what I have to go through every day. We're just gonna pray for the best and pray that he doesn't like start screaming. And if he does, it's just gonna be comical and we're all gonna laugh. Just kidding, we're not gonna laugh together. You'll laugh by yourself at your own house maybe. Here's my makeup bag. Alcoholics Anonymous who? I don't know, Morgan pointed that out to me. It says AA. I don't know. Or like a AA battery. Who knows? So I take, where's my beauty blender? Okay, don't laugh at me. My beauty blender got like, I don't know, like dried up from the concealer. So I took it and I cut it and now it's like brand new. I don't want to spend money on a new beauty blender because they're like not cheap and it's just a sponge. So I just cut it and now it works perfectly new. So we're not going to talk about it. So I take this concealer. I'll tell you what it is later. I forgot. Just cover up my dark circles that show that I don't get enough sleep. I forgot to say what concealer this was. It's the CoverGirl Clean Matte Concealer in the shade Medium. So I'm just gonna buff this into my skin. I don't wear foundation unless like it's a really special event. Maybe like a choir concert. It's not really special, but I'm trying to like present myself better. I might wear foundation, maybe not. Gonna put more concealer there because it didn't cover up my eye bags as well as I wanted it to. I'm gonna go into bronzer and I'm using a Wet n Wild brush for my bronzer. Bronzer, bronze up my face. So I used the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. It's this shade, and I think all of them are just kind of like the same. Why does it look like I have highlight on whenever I don't use it? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take my forehead. Oh, that's so weird. It's like no forehead, forehead. We're just gonna kind of tan it up in here. And take my cheekbones just a little bit. I don't like it to look too harsh on my cheekbones. I don't want it to look like a little line, so I blend that out. Now, I'm gonna be taking my blush. So I use this, like, it's really old, as you can tell. It's like Beauty Gems. It had like a highlighter that like had 5 highlighters that didn't really work, so I like kind of scraped them out. And then this blush was my favorite blush, but it fell on the ground and cracked, and I couldn't save it all. So I just kind of scrape the rest out. That's kind of sad. But I used the blush. I mixed the two together. I like go do. But what I'm going to show you is how I do my eyelashes. I get a lot of compliments on my eyelashes. Oh no, my mascara. Okay, so my mascara is in my purse in the other room. So we're going to go get that. Don't be scared of the lighter. I'll explain in a second. Okay, so I found my mascara. Right now I need a little more blush. Hold up. We're gonna fix this. Better. Okay, anyways, I found my mascaras in my jacket. I have, like, all my jackets have the pockets, like, inside, and it was in there. And I was, like, struggling. Okay, so what I do, I have the Tweezerman eyelash curler. I swear by this eyelash curler. Not many eyelash curlers like fit my eye shape for some reason. It's kind of weird. Like I can't use the Tarte ones. It like won't. I don't know. Anyway, so I use the Tweezerman. Take a lighter. So I'll heat it up with this because I have really straight eyelashes. But as I was saying, like my eyelashes are really straight and regular mascara will not hold them up all day at all. So I have to use waterproof and like curl eyelashes so you can actually notice they're there. Like look, it's like, it's weird. Get closer. It's like That's weird. Okay. It's just weird to me. It's not healthy how, like, I have really long eyelashes. They're just really straight. And you wouldn't notice them if I didn't curl them and put mascara on them every day. Okay. Other eyelash. Sorry. So other eyelash. I had to heat it up again. Okay. We're gonna wait. Just keep on pressing. Boom, boom. Okay, you see that? Now, I swear by this mascara sometimes. It's like, it's good, but it's really expensive. So I bought this one. It works really good too. But I'm still not out of this one, and I'm gonna use it to my best ability. If I'm around like my friends who are guys and I use an eyelash curler, they're like, what the heck? You're gonna rip out your eyelashes and stuff. It's really funny. This is like almost out and it's kind of depressing. But I'm not gonna let this mascara waste. Still doing my eyelashes. While I'm doing my eyelashes, I'm gonna talk about like how my channel is. People ask like what type of videos do you post? It's kind of a variety of things. Like I'm gonna post helpful videos like how to change your snap code color or whatever, how to get Spotify Premium for free, like those type of videos where I screen record and I like go step by step. I'm still gonna post those videos and try finding video ideas for that because I love helping people. And I think it's cool that I have a YouTube channel and people watch me and they're like, oh my gosh, thank you for helping me. And I always want to help people. And yeah, so I'm gonna kind of fall into the beauty category with like these videos. I like doing videos with my friends. As I wait for that to dry, I'm not gonna like go ahead and start doing my bottom mascara because it's not dry yet. And then I'll get mascara up on my eyelids. This is basically what I do every day. I just forgot my bottom mascara and I have to do my hair. So I'm gonna go change into a cute shirt and not like my pajama shirt. Be right back. Now I'm gonna do my bottom mascara because like my top mascara is dry. So I'm gonna try to get, I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. Okay. Sorry for the Christian talking in the background. That's my little brother's name, by the way, Christian. And he plays Fortnite all day long. Or it's not Fortnite right now, it's Overwatch. He got Overwatch and he's obsessed with it. So I did my bottom mascara. I'm gonna do this side. The last step I do is my highlighter for my face. And then after this, I'm just gonna straighten my hair. And that's what I call a day. So highlight, you see that? Blinding you. Other side. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Precious Petals. It's like a goldy color, it's pretty. I can show you. It used to be a rose that fell on the floor and cracked, and I used that like hack where you put like alcohol, like rubbing alcohol through makeup and fix it, and it worked. Most of the time I won't do like the eyebrow bone highlight or like in the inner corner highlight. I normally just do here, but I'm being extra today. Okay, and that's it for makeup, and I'm gonna do my hair. And you guys are gonna watch how I straighten my hair. This is what I look like right now. Just kind of, I look so much different in person. Like I can see my mirror. I look really white on camera. It's kind of weird. My hair is a mess right now and we're gonna fix that, so yeah. I've decided that I'm gonna like insert a time lapse of me straightening my hair because it takes about 10 to 20 minutes. I don't know what I would talk about for that amount of time, and my family cannot stay quiet for that long, so yeah. was it. That was my everyday makeup routine plus how I straighten my hair normally. So yeah, thank you guys so much for staying till the end and watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.